Good evening. I would like to briefly present summary of the literal C duality analysis exercise. As we can see, this exercise is based on assignment 2, but it includes new constraints and modification to the objective function. It is then solved in two parts. First, using the standard linear programming method, and second, and the results are verified using solver. Both methods producing the same solution confirm the consistent and accuracy of the analysis. In conclusion, this exercise shows that sodium hydroxide and glycerin are the most critical inputs because they have the greatest impacts on profit. Therefore, any change in their ability or constraint directly affects an optimal value of the solution. Thank you.